So we started here. So in this talk, we will cover basics of the wireless sensor network, and so here we have mainly 7 sections. So first we discuss about wireless networks, not only the sensor network but wireless networks, and then we figure out and find out the difference between these wireless networks and wireless sensor network. That means sometimes the confusion comes into the picture whether this is the wireless sensor network or this is the other type of the network. We also covers the applications of the wireless sensor network. So these three we can say some sort of created some background in wireless sensor network. Then after we covers the basics of the wireless sensor network or the components of the wireless sensor network, where node architecture, data aggregation, routing and communication protocols. Especially we covers much about the LoRaWAN protocols, and we also see the list of the network simulator, and finally we comes to the one Python program for the wireless sensor network. So here we can see that wireless network. So these all are the wireless networks. So wireless sensor network is one of them, wireless ad hoc network, vehicular ad hoc network, wireless mesh network, wireless personal area network, local area network, cellular network, satellite network, and WMAN. So all these are the wireless networks, and wireless sensor network is the one of that wireless networks. So we comes to the definition of the wireless sensor networks. If we are very first that and we want to figure out that okay, what is the wireless sensor network? So very basic definition of the wireless sensor networks is to consist a large number of small low cost, low power sensor node are wirelessly connected with each other to a center node. Sometimes the center node is known as the gateway, sometimes it's known as the sync node, sort of things. But one thing is common, that these rest of the sensor nodes are small in size, low in cost and low power, so that we can deploy a large number of sensor nodes. If the cost is very high, then it is not possible the deployment, a large number of sensor node deployment. And what is the role of this sensor node? Why we have deployed? To measure the physical or the environmental parameters. That we will see that what is the difference between these two and in which case which one is the suitable. But yes, they measure either they are the physical parameters or the environmental parameters for some action sort of things.